this morning is dangerous. As I was sleeping, I always sleep with my daughter. My daughter just wake up. I said I want to go and bath. Immediately with his speed, he just come back. I wake up, say, what's that? He said, devil, devil, devil. I said, I just stood up. Went into that room. I saw this demon. I said, they don't enter. They find me enter my room. Today, I will catch them. See how I catch them. You see how I catch them. So I will be holding all the devil, all the evil that always come on my way, all the witches, bad witches. This is how I will hold them, and they cannot do me anything. I am a child of God. I know whom I'm serving. I have God that never fail, and He will never fail. I just prayed some days ago. Say, God, any wish, any evil that comes to my way, I will catch it in my hand. Today I will catch them. Today, let me go inside and show my wife. See the evil. My wife is in the kitchen, cooking, preparing, and all these things. I will go and show her. See that devil that is pursuing us. As we catch it, so every of my brothers, my relations, siblings, will catch them on in their hand in the name of Jesus. Let's go and see.
Chai, no na anu atabugo onwe afu n'ebe anyị nọ. Okwefuru unu na anu nwa. Ya na pussycat. Anu na aba anu achukwu keleke atabugo onwe na afu n'ebe Africa nọ. Our effort now should be to make sure that the next generation of African children grow up from this archaic mentality. Innocent bird. This is what we have labeled demon, evil, name it. This bird was created to move in the night. Just like we human beings are created to operate in the daytime and then rest in the night. This bird have been created by God also to rest in the daytime and operate in the night. But because of us being too religious, we tag this bird devil. Look at this man now, thinking that he has found his solution to his problem. And this man does not know that he's playing with millions of naira. That thing he's holding in his hand now is worth thousands of dollars, and he's not aware of it.